Namaste beloved friends. This is the guided video. You can follow with me. This video is for you if you are practicing meditation since long time or you are just a beginner. This video will help you to go deeper into the meditation. So normally when we start meditation, we just directly jump into the meditation. We sit, we close the eyes, we chant the mantra or whatever form the meditation we practice. So by this, when we do this kind of thing, we got so much problem. Like sometimes we feel the numbness in our legs, in our knees. Sometimes we feel drowsiness, lethargy and pain here and there, and our mind will not focus on the meditation. So what to do? So by this practicing what I am going to tell you, you can start implementing in your daily meditation session or also pranayam session also, and you can see the improvement. And how you know one thing is good for you? By doing the experiment. So don't stop experimenting. Every day start experimenting on your body and mind and feel the changes. You just try this practice and do the meditation, and one day you don't try and just do the meditation. So you feel the changes in yourself, and you can realize by this that this is good for me and this is not. So this is in the life we try and never think about the failure. So let's start the practice. So we chant the first. We will call our gurus, our beloved gurus, all the gurus around. So you fold your hands on Namaskar Mudra, the thumb touching to the heart center. We will close our eyes and I will chant. You can also follow or you can just listen. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Gently drop your hands and feel the effect of the chanting mantra. We are calling our gurus. Who is the guru? This whole earth, this whole universe is our guru. She is guiding us in our journey of meditation, the inward journey. Gently open your eyes. So we start the practice. First we start with the legs, the toes, to relax the feet because we have to sit for longer time in the meditation. So we just move the toes up down, so it will relax the feet also, relax the toes. Just do few times. You can also close your eyes and feel the changes in your toes. Yes, very good. Now next practice we will rotate our ankle 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. So start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षट, सप्त, अष्ट, नव and dasa. Relax. Very good. Now we move towards our thighs and to make them flexible for the meditation and for the pranayam. So just I can change the side. You fold your feet touching to each other. Fold your hands, and now we flap our knees. We bring our knees up and down, hold up and down. So like this. This is called butterfly movement. The whole spine is straight here. You are not doing this. It should be like this. So it make the hip flexible. So you can sit longer time in the meditation. You just do it. And now we implement the breathing also. So as you inhale, take the knees up, exhale down. So inhale and exhale. You can also make the fast movement also of the breathing. Continue for at least 30 seconds with me. It is like pranayam and the loosening both is doing. Gently smile on your face. Continue for 10 more seconds. Very beautiful. So meditation is the inward journey, but we have to start from our body, then we can go deeper. So this is step by step process. Yes, very good. Now gently relax your feet. You can hold, you can just hug and feel the changes in your hip area, the energy. Very good. Now we move towards the other practice, next practice. For that you can fold your legs like this, or you can sit on the Vajrasana like this. Whatever position you feel comfortable. I feel this is good for me. And now you place your palm on your knee. So what we are doing here, we are working on a spine here, because the spine is also very important, one of the most important organ in our body. So flexible spine have flexible mind. So we bend forward, we go towards the right and back and then left. So this is big rotation. First we do clockwise 10 times and then anti-clockwise 10 times. And remember one thing, also the breathing here. So as you inhale, half circle, and exhale, half circle. So inhale, half circle, and exhale, half circle. So this we will do 10 times, then we change the direction. So start, gently bend forward. In the beginning you can open your eyes and look at me, and after a while you can close your eyes and feel the movement of the spine. Inhale, half back, exhale, forward. Inhale, back, exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale back, exhale forward. This makes the spine flexible, and this is very beneficial in the meditation. Now we change the direction anti-clockwise. Same, inhale and exhale, big rotation. You can close your eyes also if you feel like, and give a good gentle movement to your spine, especially the lower spine. The lower chakras are purifying here. Few more round. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Very good, very good. Yeah, next we move to the another practice, again for the spine. So now you hold your shin bone like this, and now as you exhale, you bend your spine, make a curve, and inhale back. So you are not moving your head, you are moving the spine like this. Exhale forward, inhale back. Exhale, inhale. So I can show you in another direction. Hold, inhale, this working in the middle spine. So let's start with me. So inhale, exhale, inhale back, exhale front, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This working in the middle spine, making it flexible, and also the middle chakras, it work very good. Continue. You feel the warmness in your body, you feel the activation of the energy. This process can also activate your Kundalini energy also. Yeah, few more round. Inhale, gently stop. You can close your eyes and feel the changes. You can feel the spine. Imagine that the spine is activated. Very good, very good. Gently open your eyes. Very good. Now we go for the next practice, the cat and cow pose. Very good for the, again for the spine. So what you do, you come into the sitting position, on your heels you sit, place your hands forward and make a gap between your legs and hand, same gap between them. And as you exhale, bend, and inhale, go up, bend forward and backward, not moving your hip, just moving the spine like this. So exhale forward, inhale up, like this. So we start together. So inhale, exhale, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. This work on whole spine from bottom to top. Very good practice before meditation, before the practice of pranayam. You can feel the difference after practicing these small exercises. Your mind will calm down and your body also make stable. Few more round. Continue. You can also close your eyes. Very good. Gently come into the baby pose. Just release your hand forward and head touching to the forehead, touching to the ground, and feel the abdomen movement here, and relax for a while. Completely breathe out and in. Relax completely here. The child pose. You are in the womb of mother here. No worry, no tension, no past, no future. Very good, very good, very good. Yeah, next practice we will go. So this practice for the thigh again, for the hip area, so that you can sit on the meditation posture for a longer duration. So for that, you fold your right leg first, place the right heel on your thigh, left thigh, and now gently hold the knee and press the knee down and up towards your chest and down towards the ground as much as you can. So exhale and inhale up, exhale down, inhale, exhale, inhale. These practices are like meditation also, pranayam also, because we are working on both with the prana level and with the body level. And one of the essential thing for the meditation is that your body should be stable. It's not moving, because if this moving, you can't go into the meditation deeply. So first requirement is stable body. And how to make? By these few beautiful, amazing exercises. You can practice them anytime, and after that immediately you can go for the meditation. Very good. Now we change our legs, other leg, other side. Same we do. Place the left feet on your thigh and move gently up and down. You can close your eyes and feel the breathing coming and going. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Continue. Meditation is the art of knowing ourselves. To go deeper into ourselves and find out the potential, our infinite potential, creativity, and the unconditional love. So everyone should do the meditation every day. We will continue for few more round. Continue, don't stop in middle. And this exercise will make you flexible also. And when you get flexible body, the mind is also get flexible. Very good. Few more round. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale, exhale. Very good, very good. Now gently relax the feet. Come to the sitting posture again. Now we will work on the upper spine, the upper area. So for that, you fold your hand. The elbow are parallel to the ground and hand are open. You can make this mudra also. It's very good also. Make concentration and focus by this mudra. And as you inhale, go left side. Exhale, right side. Inhale. So this is like twisting the spine. It's like twisting, and all the blockage in the spine get vanished, get cleared by this practice. So inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Okay, you understand? We start. Inhale, exhale, inhale left, exhale right, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You can make also fast movement here. You can close your eyes also and just continue the practice. Make your spine flexible. Work on the spine. Generate the energy. Continue, don't stop in middle. You are powerful. You are strong. Remember that. You are not poor. You are not weak. You are strong. The God is inside you and outside you. So no worry, no tension. Just be in the practice. Inhale, exhale, inhale, left, exhale, right, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Stop. Close your eyes and feel the changes in your spine, the twisting of spine. You already feeling the changes. I am feeling changes in my body. My mind is calming down. I am feeling the energy activation in my spine. I am feeling the vibration on my palm, on my face. So these are the signs that you are progressing in your practice. And after the practice, if you are feeling you are more light, more happy than before the practice, then that practice is good for you. Then you can continue that practice for longer time. Okay, very good, very good. Next practice we will do for the spine. Today we are working fully on the spine, full power on the spine. So we fold our hand, we place our thumb back, the fingers for pointing forward, and you go right side and then left side. So this again making the spine is flexible, upper spine. So inhale to the left and exhale right. Remember this, inhale left and exhale right. Inhale and exhale. So we start the practice. You can close your eyes or you can open and just feel the breathing. Inhale left, exhale right. 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 Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. These practices can be done by any age group people. Very good, very beneficial, and it relieve the pain, it make the mind calm, generate the energy, the healing power inside us. Continue, don't stop. Gently stop and close your eyes. Feel the changes in your upper spine. If you are feeling any sensation in the body, maybe somewhere is the tingling, vibrating, pulsating. I am already feeling the sensation in my forehead, in my upper head. I am feeling my chakras also here. Very good. Gently open your eyes. Next practice we will go again for the spine. So you just sitting there. If you want, you can relax your feet also for a while and then come back again. Okay, next practice we will do. Again we are sitting here. Now we turn towards the right side first and then left side. So turning completely, then left side, right side and left side. Again it's twisting the spine, the whole spine is twisting here. So inhale for the left, exhale for the right, inhale for the left, exhale for the right. So you start, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Remember, you are the God. God is not somewhere else. You are the God. You have all the potential, all the power, all the creative energy within you. Continue practice, and practice make the man perfect. By keep practicing, one day you will realize yourself, which is not somewhere. You are the self. The ignorance makes us believe that we are far away from the God. But God is not far, it's always in us. We are the God. Continue. Inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Very good. Stop the practice. Feel the twisting of the spine. Again feel the vibration. Same, I am feeling the vibration in my spine, in my upper chakras, the vibration in my shoulders, and you feel the calming down of the mind by practicing these beautiful exercises. Okay, we will start the next practice. This practice for the hands and for these areas, because hands are connected to the heart center, and whatever you are taking and giving, it's from the heart. It's getting the loving energy inside you. So you can put your hand forward and just make the up down movement for few rounds. You can close your eyes with the breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Next we will rotate the wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise for few rounds. Clockwise and anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Very good. Next, back and forward, back and forward. Inhale back and exhale forward. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Continue for few rounds. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. I am already feeling like meditation. My mind is calming down and the words are not coming from me. Very few. Yeah, next. Just my mind is so quiet that the words is not coming, Okay, I have to push myself. So yeah, next practice we will do for the shoulders, because so much of burden in our shoulder. We are taking the load of all the responsibility on our shoulders. So we will release the tension. Feel that the tension are releasing. Make a rotation clockwise, rotation with breathing. I am feeling like I just sit and not talk and just do the meditation. Very calming down effect of these practices. You can also feel my voice is changing. It's getting more calmer and quieter. Now we change the direction anti-clockwise, and in the beginning you can practice by watching me, and after few days you can start by yourself without watching this video, by closing the eyes, and you will see the not see but feel the difference. And when you feel something, you know it. By seeing you don't know maybe, but by feeling you know definitely. Very good. Now we move towards our last few practices. Now we work on our throat region, the throat chakras, making it good, and the energy will move there. Yeah, I am unable to open my eyes. Yeah, you can open your eyes and just look at me. Just give a good rotation of your head, and clockwise first. Same with the breathing. Inhale for the half round and exhale for the another half round. Inhale back and exhale. Make your shoulder relax completely. Sometimes they get tense during the practice. Also in the meditation, sometimes our shoulder get stiff. Few more round. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. I am feeling the changes in my body already. So much good practices. These practices look like simple, but they have amazing benefit on our body and mind. You can change your direction anti-clockwise, and by making the mind and body synchronize, we can reach to our soul. If the mind is here and body is somewhere there, or if the body is here and mind is somewhere else, we can't go into the meditation. Meditation is impossible. So to stop the chattering mind, we are doing these exercises. By stopping the monkey mind, we can go easily into the meditation. Very good. Next practice we will do for our eyes, because many times you notice when you do meditation, the eyes are making rotation also. It's like they are feeling like opening sometime, or many things happen to the eyes. They are not fixed into the meditation. So when the eyes move, the mind also move. So mind and eyes are completely related. So this exercise will make the eyes calm down and relax. So you make the again rotation of the eyes clockwise. Look upward, right, down, left, up. Slowly make a rotation of the eyes. Very good practice for the eye. Normally we are not doing these practices. That's why we face many problems, the physical problem and mental problem. These exercises will not take much time, and don't move your head like this. Sometimes I am moving the head, so just fix your head and move your eyes. Now anti-clockwise, very slow. So if I facing the mental and physical problem, because we are not doing the right thing, we are jumping We are not walking like a child, a small baby walk. We have to start. We can't jump into the first floor directly or third floor directly. So we have to go step by step. These are processes by which you can move towards the journey of meditation step by step. Now gently close your eyes. Just relax everything. Make a long breath in and with the mouth out. In, out. A smile on your face. You have done all the practices very beautifully, very gracefully. Feel the changes. Maybe in the one day you will not feel the difference, but in the 3 days, if you continue practicing every day, you will feel the changes in your body, in your mind. Now just hug yourself that you did the practice. Just give a kiss. Give a love to your body. Just touch. Say thank you to the body that you done all these practices. Now we finishing the session. We will chant the Astoma Sadgamaya to praying to the Lord, to the Mother Earth that take us from the misery to goodness, from darkness to light. So we chant Om Astoma Sadgamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your both palms. Rub, make it warm and just give a gentle massage to your face, to your eyes, to your hair, body, and gently open your eyes. Thank you, my beloved friends, for joining me, for watching, and maybe you continue this practice and hope you like this practice. I will be coming with some new practices, some new meditation, and you continue your journey of meditation, and from meditation you will come to the unconditional love where you love everything. Just like when you are in love, the banana is okay, the banana peel is also okay. So you will feel the unconditional love to hold the existence. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy, be healthy, and sing and dance and just celebrate. Okay.